Hey Dynamos, it's me, Miss Drass, sitting on the other side of the easel today. And I need you to draw your 3 boxes in your notebook and label the notes box, the solving box, and the equation box. I'll wait while you do that. Okay, here's the problem. So, Miss Drass had 9 balloons. And then Suji brought her some more balloons because she hurt her arm. And now she has 21 balloons. How many balloons did Suji bring her? I'm going to take some notes. So Miss Drass had 9. Oops. We're just going to put a B for balloons. And then Suji brought her some more, so we're probably adding. And Suji brought her, we don't know how many more, so I'm going to put a question mark. I don't know how many balloons. And now, there's 21 balloons. So how many did Suji bring? Alright, I'm going to solve this by drawing all the balloons first. So at the end, there were 21 balloons. I'm going to draw it in dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. I'm going to find the 9 balloons that Miss Drass already had. They're right here. These are Miss Drass's 9 balloons. These are the balloons that Suji brought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Suji brought 12 balloons. I'm going to circle 12 because it's my answer. And then I'm going to write my equation. The 9 balloons Miss Drass had, plus the 12 balloons Suji brought her, equals 21 balloons all together. Got that? Okay, start a new problem-solving boxes on your next page. Hey Dylan C, how's my left handwriting? Okay, so I'm going to say that Miss Drass had 12 cupcakes. And then Luke brought her some more cupcakes because she hurt her arm. And now she has 17 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did Luke bring her? I'm going to take some notes. So, Miss Drass had 12 cupcakes, and then Luke brought more cupcakes, so we're probably adding, but I don't know how many more cupcakes that Luke brought, so I'm going to put a question mark. And now, there are 17 cupcakes. Whoops. So I need to find out how many Luke brought. Pause your video and solve this problem and write an equation. I'm going to start with all the cupcakes all together. There were 17. Okay, there's 17 cupcakes. And Miss Drass had 12 cupcakes to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the cupcakes that Miss Drass had to start with. So these are the cupcakes that Luke brought. Luke brought 5 cupcakes. 5 is my answer. If we take Miss Drass's 12 cupcakes and we add the 5 cupcakes that Luke got her, it would equal 17 cupcakes altogether. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. Draw some more problem-solving squares on your next page. Okay, we're going to say that Miss Drass was at the beach and she was collecting shells. And Miss Drass collected 17 shells. And then Kaylin came over and gave Miss Drass some more shells. Now Miss Drass has 25 shells. So how many did Kaylin give to Miss Drass? I'm going to take some notes. So Miss Drass had 17 shells, and then Kaylin came over and gave her more shells, so we're probably adding. Well, we don't know how many shells that Kaylin gave us, so we're going to put a question mark. And now, Miss Drass has 25 shells, so we need to figure out how many shells Kaylin gave me. Pause your video and solve this problem and write an equation. I'm going to start by drawing all 25 of the shells. There's 25 shells. So Miss Drass had 17 shells. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh! 13, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, those are the 17 shells that Miss Drass had. So these are the other shells that Kaylin gave to her. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Kaylin gave her 8 shells. So we take Miss Drass's 17 shells and we add Kaylin's 8 shells. It's going to equal 25 shells altogether. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. All right, draw a new problem-solving chart in your journal. Okay, we're going to say that Dylan C. had 6 basketballs. And then Jonathan brought him some more basketballs. Now Dylan C. has 24 basketballs. So how many did Jonathan bring him? I'm going to take some notes. So Dylan C. had 6 basketballs. And Jonathan brought him some more, so we're probably adding. But I don't know how many basketballs Jonathan brought him. So I'm going to put a question mark. Now, Dylan C. has 24 basketballs. So we need to figure out how many Jonathan brought to him. So I'm going to draw the... Oh, sorry. So you're going to solve the equation now and solve the problem, and I'm going to wait while you pause the video. Okay, I'm going to start with the total number of basketballs, which is 24. Okay, that's 24 basketballs. I'm going to find the 6 that Dylan started with. So that's the 6. So this are the ones that Jonathan gave him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So Jonathan gave him 18 basketballs. 18 is the answer. So if we take Dylan's 6 basketballs and we add the 18 that Jonathan gave him, it's going to equal 24 basketballs in all. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. See you guys later.